Hey all, KISHOR this side from Stierfleet team, and I welcome back to my channel. So again a summary video, and this was the very first Thursday where we just had Nifty expiry. So yeah, before telling you anything, before analyzing the trade today and before telling you a summary of how and what I did, let me tell you what profit I made, profit or loss I made. Today was a loss day, by the way. So here I booked a loss of 4k, and in my another account, means another main account, I booked almost 3.5k loss. Altogether 7.5k loss in main accounts. In a small account, I booked 13.2k loss, means 13.5k or 14k you can take. So why this much of loss happened here and why I saved here, so everything I'm going to explain, but only on chart. See, when I started here, ठीक है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे जब market was playing somewhere around 590 and all, so I took a straddle in a small account. Okay, so this was the straddle position, where it is, yeah, this one. Okay, so मैंने 550 को short किया था and it was giving fantastic decay in the very first 10 minutes only, and I came to 5k profit in no time. But when this up move happened, this a small up move, from 5k positive I came down to 5k negative no time. Okay, and I cut it right there, and then I still kept on playing aggressive in that account. And because of my aggressiveness, and at the same time because such horrible move, I was so busy managing here that I couldn't manage it properly. So my efficiency was not that good in this particular account, and that's why I had to take a hit. And here at a point of time I was down almost 1%, but from there I recovered, and I'm closing here with 0.4% loss. Okay, and on in main account, see, to be very honest, I'm really happy with the way I manage my trade today in all three accounts. It's not just main accounts, also only small account also, because see, getting so much of a big SLs hit, even after that I'm just closing with 0.4% loss in such a day where market moved like, wait, and just don't look at this movement. Okay, this is like 1% of move, and mind it, that too when market opened with like 62 points as a straddle premium. Okay, so on a straddle premium of 62 points where market is factoring in just 62 points of movement, but market is moving 3 times of it in a single direction, and in between it has given so many 50 plus point of move. See, 72 points move, then from here to here it's 90 points move, then from this up to this down it's 50 points of move. So where strategy just factoring in 62 points, market is moving 50 plus point at least 3-4 times, and the trending move that happened, it was more than 3 times of the straddle premium. So here, and at the same time the IVS spike was so brutal. Let me show you one chart, this one. Yeah, so here, and I will also show you where I booked it. See, the high it made is 12.5. I booked it somewhere around 10. So mostly means almost I booked somewhere around 10.5. So I booked on the tip of this gamma, but still I saved myself. How come I show you? Let's say here. Okay, I booked it 10 at 10.5 and 12.3. Okay, sorry, I booked it at the tip of the gamma move. Okay, so that hurt me a lot. The only thing that saved me, okay, was the aftermath and before math. Before that, I booked this 750 call at very low price, and after that it moved so much that I was feeling so lucky. Okay, I booked it so early, and somewhere around 6 or 7 I booked it. Okay, and it made a high of 35. And after that, when I booked loss here, then I went to 850 and I took entry here somewhere around 4 something. Wait, yeah, 3.4, 3.5 and 3. So almost 3.5 is what I booked it at. Okay, sorry, I took position in there, and 1800 sizing here and just 800 sizing here. So that is the reason I averaged 3.5, and that actually gave me some time to just get rid of the loss that I had. And at the same time, the play out that I do with the quantity, जिस तरीके से मैं क्वांटिटी से प्ले करता हूँ, so उसने मेरे को बहुत हेल्प करा just to minimize the risk, minimize my loss also, and just to play with the IV spike. Okay, so when IV was at the peak, and obviously I booked the loss. अगर मैंने वो अपने मेन क्वांटिटी पे करा होता, जो मेरा मैक्स क्वांटिटी है, अगर मैंने उस पर किया होता, then definitely it would have been like 1% loss day, 110% it would have been like that. Okay, but I managed to play around with the quantity and with the plan that I have. Okay, and about the quantity sizing, how to play around it, and how to play with the IV in such a market where IV is so low, where VIX is just showing 10 points as 10, and the premium is not at all there, which is not factoring in any kind of movement. And if in those conditions some big move is happening, then you better have to have some plan. Okay, so today, although I was bullish, but I was not that bullish, to be very honest, and that's what I told you in the beginning only, that I was expecting a sideways to bullish move, but this huge bullish net just killed the trade. And at a point of time I was in a loss of like 25k. So the maximum loss I have seen here is 25 to 26k in the main accounts, means here and here, and in a small account I saw a maximum loss of almost 34k. That's why I'm telling you 1% loss is what I have seen there. So So I'm very happy with the way I manage my position, with the way I adjust my position, leaving one or two strikes where I booked it at the worst point possible. I have shown you, right? At the highest point of that, I booked this one. So leaving this strike only. Other than that, after math and before math, as I told you, I did a real good job. That's why I managed to book at break even. Yeah, this is more or less break even only, because on a fund size of 51 lakh, 50 lakh you can take. On a fund size of 50 lakh, I didn't even book 0.8%. So so that's more or less 0.08 by the way. So that's more or less the summary of the day. So overall, let me summarize. So in main accounts, I booked 7.5 kilos, which is like 0.075%, and in a small account, I booked 13.5 kilos, which is like 0.4% of the capital use. So that's the more or less the summary of the day. So I hope you had a good day. I hope you didn't take any hit today, and I hope you also manage your trade really good. So yeah, if you are learning anything from the summary, from the adjustment plan and all that I'm sharing with you, then please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.